Revolutionize your cleaning routine with the BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max, the ultimate all-in-one solution for a spotless home. Introducing the BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max, the ultimate solution for multi-surface cleaning without the hassle. Say goodbye to juggling multiple tools and hello to effortless cleaning. With its innovative design, the CrossWave Cordless Max vacuums and washes your floors simultaneously, saving you valuable time and effort. Whether it's sealed hard floors or area rugs, this powerhouse does it all. And for pet owners, rejoice! Its improved edge cleaning effortlessly grabs pesky pet hair from corners and baseboards, leaving your floors spotless. But that's not all. With Wi-Fi connectivity and the BISSELL Connect app, you'll receive helpful alerts, maintenance tracking, and even easy reordering of formulas and accessories with Amazon-replenishment. And cleaning up after cleaning? A thing of the past. The self-cleaning cycle ensures your machine stays in top-notch condition, ready for your next cleaning session. So why wait? Experience the convenience and power of the BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max today. Cleaning has never been this easy.